Question 1. Choose the correct form. If I dash time, I would join you. Correct answer, had. Question 2. Identify the tense. She has been reading since morning. Correct answer, present perfect continuous. Question 3. Which article fits? Dash honest man is always respected. Correct answer, N. Question 4. Select the correct plural, child. Correct answer, children. Question 5. Choose the correct preposition. He is good dash mathematics. Correct answer, at. Question 6. Identify the error. Each of the players are ready. Correct answer is. Question 7. Choose the correct comparative. This car is dash than that one. Correct answer, faster. Question 8. Which conjunction links these? Come early, dash we will miss the train. Correct answer, or. Question 9. Identify the passive form. They painted the wall. Correct answer. The wall was painted by them. Question 10. Select the correct tag question. Let's go for a walk, dash. Correct answer, shall we? Question 11. Fill the blank. She arrived dash the station just dash time. Correct answer, @in. Question 12. Choose the grammatically correct sentence. Correct answer, he doesn't like coffee. Question 13. Which article pair is correct? Dash European and dash FBI agent met yesterday. Correct answer, A/in. Question 14. Select the right preposition. I'm afraid dash spiders. Correct answer, of. Question 15. Choose the correct form. Neither John nor his friends dash coming. Correct answer, are. Question 16. Identify the error and choose the correct sentence. The scissors is blunt. Correct answer. The scissors are blunt. Question 17. Fill the blank. Could you translate this dash French dash me? Correct answer, into /4. Question 18. Choose the correct comparative structure. This is dash movie I've ever seen. Correct answer. The most interesting. Question 19. Select the sentence with the correct word order. Correct answer. I have never seen such beauty. Question 20. Which phrasal verb fits? I dashed my old friend while I was shopping. Correct answer. Ran into.